there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So do you want to make this slide presentation? Let me show you how to make it. First, be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos like these. So let's start. First of all, go to insert and add a rectangle right here onto the right side. Now duplicate it 4 times. Put them side by side. There you go. Now go to shape fill and change their colors using the eyedropper. I'm using this series of color palette. You can choose your own colors as well. Now you have to select all of these and remove their outline. Now right click on them and group them and increase their size like this. Right click on them and ungroup them. Now give them this preset. Now go to shape format and do the settings as I have done. Go to insert shapes and add a rectangle right here like this. Now go to shape fill, change its color to white, put it inside this bigger rectangle, rotate it like this, put it right here, decrease its size. Now go to shape format and give it a shadow. This one will do. Change the settings, size, transparency and blur. There you go. Duplicate it and put this one onto the second. Put them right like this and change this color. Remove its outline. Now duplicate them. Increase this one size. Now group them and change their color to purple. Now go to Insert tab and add a circle. Go to Shape Fill and change its color. Go to Shape Outline and remove its outline. Go to Shape Format and give it gradient. Add gradient stops and change its color. You can use your own gradient if you want. I'm using this gray to white gradient color. Change the colors. That's it. Now increase the width of the line and give the line a gradient of purple and blue. I'm also going to use silver. Add some more purple. There you go. Silver goes right down. Change the angle of the gradient. Add some more silver. Increase its transparency. There you go. Put it right here and put it to the backwards. Now go to icons and add one icon right in between the circle. Right click on it and change the icon's color. Select both the icon and the shapes and group them. Be sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos like these. Let's continue. So there you go. I'm gonna copy all these shapes and put them in these rectangles. Now I'm gonna move them upwards. Move this rectangle upwards. Duplicate it, move this B upwards along with the shape, and now duplicate the slide and now put it right here like this. Duplicate the template and go to transitions and give all the slides more transition. Now copy the text from the slide and paste it onto the first slide. Change its color to white. Now paste it onto the second template and change its color to black. Copy it and paste it onto the third and fourth and fifth template continuously. Next, send all of the text to back. There you go. On to the second template, add the text and only send the 3 B, C, and D stacks back. And right here in the third slide, we're gonna send C and D stacks to the back. And in the fourth slide, we're gonna send only these stacks to the back. This is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel to get more videos like these. Be sure to comment down to let me know of your thoughts about the video.